Hello everybody. Okay, so this time the assignment is to actually create a malicious website, and what that would do is download this bash script that will be able to give us a reverse shell. And so I wanted to just review the HTrack tool and just overall how we would go about doing this. So you can actually go to the website and actually see this tool, but we're just going to use the same address to actually make this a clone of this website, and we will be basically hosting this website using Apache. So I've already downloaded Apache 2, but if you want to, it's just apt install Apache 2, and once you've installed that, you're going to then clone this website, and that's same. Okay, so you can use HTrack, and then the name of this website, which is basically this, and yeah. So once you've click enter, there is going to be essentially a folder made, and you can review that folder. So over here we have www.htrack.com, and now you need to move this to the HTML location, and that you can use the same command for moving the folder. And once you've moved that, you can actually go to and actually review this. So one thing you need to make sure is to remove the older HTML folder, so that this actually the name changes to the HTML, and so you would have all of the files present within the HTML directory. And then you need to actually make some changes within the index file, and we can just nano that just to see the changes. Index.html, and as you can see, there's a simple script that actually goes, and on every load it essentially downloads or triggers a download for a bash file, and it already has a file name, which is brochure.bat. And yeah, you could potentially create an exe file, and then maybe that might be more undetectable, since where as you would be seeing, this would already be this will actually trigger an alert through the browser that you are actually downloading an unsafe website, unsafe um, bat file. So we would be reviewing that as well. Okay, so once this is done, as you can see, the file URL is test.cmd, so we can actually see what that is as well. So test.cmd, and that's just a simple PowerShell that is being invoked with WindowStyle Hidden. That's because we don't want the user to actually see the command line, as well as it's connecting to my local machine, which is 135. Okay, so once this is done, you can just connect and see if this works. So let's go to 192, and as soon as you go to this website, this auto downloads this bat file, and as you can see, I've already downloaded this before. And over here, this is the first error that comes in, which is obviously because it's a bat file. It says, do you really want to keep this bat file? If this was an exe file, it might not present this error, but as soon as you open this, there's another error that comes in. And obviously, if you've already disabled Windows Defender, then this error won't come in. But since we already have this, there might be methods to go around this by using maybe an exe or maybe a PDF that kind of loads in a reverse shell that is obfuscated. Okay, so let's just run this. Oh, wait, did I start that? Okay, so let me just start a listener, and once this is started, Now when we will go and start this, we can see that we have a reverse shell, and as you can see, we can review all of the information of the user. So this was a very simple tool. You could actually have a more advanced um, implementation using maybe Beef. That's also a browser tool that kind of hooks your browser and actually lets you run different scripts, and I might be reviewing that in a later video. Thank you.